We are the engineering force that drives industries forward. The heart behind the processes that move the world. The force that makes life flow every single day. Driven by a long-term vision and a family-owned legacy built on trust, quality, and reliability, Ruhrpumpen has spent more than 75 years engineering the pumping technology behind some of the world's most demanding industries, always driven by a commitment to make business easier for our customers. Through innovation, global expertise, and vertically integrated manufacturing, we develop high-performance solutions designed to operate under the toughest conditions with maximum efficiency and reliability. Today, Ruhrpumpen solutions help drive critical industries across the world, from oil and gas, power generation, and chemical processing, to mining, water infrastructure, fire protection, and beyond. Our portfolio includes some of the industry's most advanced pumping solutions. Between bearing, overhung, vertical, magnetic drive, reciprocating, horizontal turbine pumps, fire protection, hydraulic decoking systems, engineered systems, lube oil systems. Every Ruhrpumpen solution is supported by global engineering expertise, vertically integrated manufacturing, and specialized service capabilities worldwide. With manufacturing facilities across the Americas, Europe, Asia, and Africa, Ruhrpumpen delivers global strength with local responsiveness, delivering speed, precision, and support wherever our customers operate. But our true strength does not end when a pump leaves the factory. It continues far beyond commissioning, startup, and operation. Because behind every solution is a team dedicated to supporting our customers at every stage of the journey. Field service, spare parts, specialized maintenance, reverse engineering, training, technical consulting. Global support capabilities focused on maximizing performance, extending equipment life, and keeping critical operations running without interruption. At Ruhrpumpen, we do not simply manufacture pumping technology. We engineer the solutions that keep industries moving, delivering reliability for the world's most critical processes, enabling the infrastructure that makes progress possible. For us, developing highly efficient and reliable technology is more than what we do. It is the legacy we continue to build, generation after generation. Ruhrpumpen, the supplier of choice.